Hello, everyone. This is Anita of Anita Bryant TV. Thank you for joining me on this video, and I hope you get some value from the information I'm about to share here. Okay, you remember I sold my Apple share, and I told you I was going to buy it back whenever it gets low. I'm waiting for it to get a little lower, about 188, because it's going to shoot up in the coming weeks. Okay, now you see that it's red right now, don't pay any attention to that because it's not really of any issue to me at the moment because I haven't bought it back yet. But I do want you to look at the price here is 189 $189.20, but it was 189 $189.11 before I turn this video on. That's how fast it fluctuates. Okay, but I want you to look here at the statistics. Okay, the statistics today had a 6 million volume. Average volume was 30 million. The open high was $190.58. Today's high was $191.28. Today's low was $190.21, which we see what today's low is. But that was probably during the time that the market was open. The 52-week high was 194.20, and the 52-week low was 144.38. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this video is to show you that even though these statistics say one thing, another thing can totally happen. See that? 189.20, and today's low is 190.18. Do not always go by the statistics, especially if you are a beginner. Always do your research with different stock forums to see exactly what is happening with that company. Okay? The uh different news about that company could influence the price instantly, people. Instantly. So don't always go by what you see out there for the moment because the news can always change. So what you want to do is do heavy research before making your final decision. Now, Apple is a beautiful company. It's a wonderful company. It's always stable. But I just wanted to use this for an example. Now, one reason why I'm always going to keep Apple is because of the dividend yield. Um, Most people want the dividend yield between 2% to 30%. Right now it's at 1.557%, and that yield is set to go uh, available in your accounts on July 31st. So I'm keeping that. You know I love dividend stock. Anything that pays extra money, I love it. Okay, I'm going to end this video. If you got some value from this video, it may be important. A little bit of important information that you might not find ordinarily when you're trying to learn about how to invest in the stock market. I thought it would be some helpful information, especially to a newbie. But if you found some value in this video, and you really like the information that I gave you, like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification tab so you can be alerted each time I do a new video. I love you guys. Stay tuned for more. God bless you.